Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the dirty work so you don't have to. Today, we're putting two robot vacuums in the ring for a showdown. The MAMV Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, aka MAMPAV, and the ROP Vacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner, affectionately known as ROP Vacnic. Let's see which one of these little robots can clean up their act and which one should be left in the dust. First up, the all-important price tag. MAMV comes in at a wallet-friendly $196. ROP Vacnic, on the other hand, is a bit pricier at $299. Reviewers mention that MAMTEV offers great value for its price, especially for pet owners, while ROP Vacnic justifies its higher cost with advanced features and powerful suction. Now, let's talk about cleaning power. MAMTEV boasts a decent 1,400 Pascal suction, which can handle your average dust and crumbs. But ROP Vacnic? This beast has a whopping 4,000 Pascal suction. Reviewers are impressed with ROP Vacnic's ability to handle pet hair and various surfaces effectively. MAMNEV, while less powerful, is still praised for its efficiency in everyday cleaning. Both of these bad boys come with mopping functions. MAMSIEV has a 230 milliliters water tank and a pretty straightforward mopping system. ROP Vacnic, though, has an upgraded high-capacity water tank with a 4-stage personalized water adjustment system. While MAMFOV is appreciated for its basic mopping, ROP Vacnic's advanced mopping capabilities stand out, although some reviewers note it struggles with stubborn messes. When it comes to brain power, both robots are pretty smart. MAMMove can be controlled via the Tuya Smart app and even listens to Google Assistant. ROP Vacnic, not to be outdone, also supports Alexa and Google Assistant. Reviewers appreciate the convenience and advanced smart features of both products, making them easy to control and customize. Obstacle avoidance is where things get interesting. MAMDEV has a 3D precise obstacle avoidance function and a slim design to get into those tight spaces. ROP Vacnic, however, has a high-coverage sensing system and multiple algorithmic data points. Reviewers find MAMV great for navigating tight spots, while ROP Vacnic's advanced sensors provide comprehensive coverage. Pet owners, listen up. MAMFOV promises no hair entanglement with its brushless suction port. ROP Vacnic also claims to be pet-friendly with its no-entanglement design and dual-rotating electric side brushes. Reviewers from both camps highlight the effectiveness of these vacuums in handling pet hair, making either a good choice for homes with furry friends. Battery life is crucial unless you enjoy finding your robot passed out in the middle of the living room. MAMFOV offers a solid 100 minutes of runtime and automatically returns to its charging base. ROP Vacnic also self-recharges but doesn't specify its runtime. Reviewers generally find both models reliable in terms of battery life, though MAMHAV's specified runtime adds a layer of assurance. Summarizing the reviews, MAMSHAV is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and efficiency in everyday cleaning tasks. It's especially appreciated by pet owners and those who need a reliable maintenance vacuum. On the other hand, ROP Vacnic stands out for its powerful suction, advanced features, and smart capabilities. It's highly recommended for those looking for a high-performance vacuum with some mopping capabilities, even if it comes at a higher price. So, there you have it. In the blue corner, we have MAMSLIV, affordable, efficient, and pet-friendly. And in the red corner, ROP Vacnic, powerful, high-tech, and also great for pet owners. Which one should you pick? Well, if you're on a budget and want a reliable cleaner, MAMVEV is your go-to. But if you want a vacuum that could probably outsmart you in chess, go for ROP Vacnic. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, may your floors be clean and your purchases be smart.